Hello everybody, it's Monday, week 3 of the 75 medium challenge. It's day 15 and I haven't talked to you all day, I think. I had the sheet pan pancakes I prepared yesterday, so in last week's video, for breakfast, and lunch was the lentil and veggie salad that I prepared yesterday as well, so last week's video. I had a banana bread as an afternoon snack. I did my workout during lunch and now I still need to think about what I want to do for dinner. I'm not in the mood for cooking for a long time, to be quite honest. I don't know, other than that, I finished my gratitude journal, I finished my 10 pages, I'm almost done with my steps. So today was quite good challenge-wise so far. And I also just uploaded my TikTok. It's quite late for the day, but the voiceover feature wasn't working. It wasn't working yesterday when I first tried it, and it wasn't working today. But now it's finally up, so go watch it if you want to.
I made sheet pan pancakes. They were really delicious, and after
they were really delicious. You heard it here first. Good. That was my update so far. So I just decided to make an omelette with mushrooms. Good morning everybody, it's Tuesday, day 16 of the challenge, and my dog is eating in the background in case you can hear it. And I'm making myself breakfast. Well, I'm putting the sheet pan pancake in the microwave to warm it up a bit. This is the thing that I like about meal prep, because it's so easy. So yeah, I'm gonna have my breakfast, then I'm gonna do my gratitude journal and my 10 pages, and then we start work. Another day, another lentil salad. So I just got home from walking my dog, and now it's time to work out. And I'm staying at my parents' house this week and beginning of next week, and they have like a little gym setup. I don't know what the machine is exactly called, but you can do a bunch of different stuff in one machine. So we're gonna make use of that and let's do our workout. So this is what the setup looks like. The lighting isn't great, but we're in the basement, so it's gonna have to do. So you can do lat pull down, chest press, rowing. You have the cable arms, leg extension, stuff like that. So workout is done. I just took a shower and I'm gonna have the lentil veggie salad again, because both of the recipes I've planned for today take way too long now, and as I said, I'm hungry, so lentil salad it is. Good morning everyone, it's day 17, yeah, day 17 of the challenge. I just got home from the morning walk and I made myself breakfast. I'm having a Weetabix bowl again, and that's the start of the day. A little Wednesday evening update. It's 7 p.m. and I just finished work. So I'm gonna switch up my workout days. I'm gonna have a rest day today and a workout tomorrow, because honestly, I just can't do it today. I was planning on finishing earlier and doing my workout thing, and now it's 7 p.m. I'm hungry, I have a headache, and honestly, I can't be bothered. It is what it is. I'm just gonna work out tomorrow, have a rest day today, make some dinner. I'm gonna have, drum roll, the lentil veggie salad. So yeah, this is gonna be my evening, and then I'm gonna move on to my couch and either watch a show or read something. Hello everybody, I don't think I've talked to you like face to face here today yet. It's Thursday today and I just made myself a coffee because I have a headache It's 2:30, I'm working right now and I just need a little afternoon pick-me-up. Yeah, so I'm gonna finish work. After that I need to do my workout because I decided to do a rest day yesterday. I told you. So I need to do a workout today. I was planning on doing a center workout again, so a HIIT workout, but because of my headache, maybe I'm gonna do some strength training again in the basement. Yeah, because I think my headache is gonna get worse if I do a HIIT workout now. I mean, maybe it's gone after the coffee, but I don't think so, honestly. We went on a walk on my lunch break. Forgot to film that. Sorry. I'm tired. You can probably tell. So yeah, I'm gonna finish my coffee, get on with work again, and I will see you when I'm doing my workout, I guess. Also, I look very bold in this shot. And when I sit like this, I look like an egg. Lovely. Just a short update for me. I did my workout today. I did a upper body session in my parents' basement again. And now it's 9 o'clock in the evening. I just got done blow drying my hair. I let it air dry for a while. For dinner I had an omelette wrap, and then I had half a portion of a Weetabix bowl as a snack. And now I'm gonna sit down on the couch and read, and I'm gonna start a new book today. It's Gloves Off by Stephanie Archer. This is the 4th book. It's an interconnected standalone series, and this one is the 4th. Yeah, that's basically what I'm gonna do for the rest of this evening. I did all my things. I have over 9,000 steps. I did my workout. I need to post my TikTok. I almost forgot. I need to post my TikTok. I will go do that, and then I will read, and that is it for the night. See you tomorrow. Good morning, everybody. It's Friday today, and I just got home from my morning walk with my dog, and I forgot to film again. I'm gonna have breakfast now, and I made another Weetabix bowl, but this time it's tiramisu style. So there's a shot of espresso mixed with the milk and the Weetabix, and for the topping I mixed the yogurt with vanilla protein powder again and just put some cacao powder on top. Today is gonna be a pretty chill day. I'm gonna go shopping with my sister later, and then I still need to do some work and another workout, of course. But other than that, it's good. Happy Friday. So I just realized that I haven't talked to you all day since breakfast, I believe. So guess who forgot to film the workout today? Me. So sorry about that. No workout footage from today. I mean, not that the workout footage is ever that great, but I wanted to film it. Whatever. I'm making dinner now, and I'm having the veggie tray bake again. It's the last portion. It's a smaller portion, but I still have some breakfast left over, the Weetabix tiramisu bowl, so I'm probably gonna have that after, and then I'm done for the day. Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday and we got home from our morning walk. I made the tray bake pancakes again. They're just gonna cool down a little bit before I have one piece with some peach. So yesterday, Saturday, I totally forgot to talk to you after breakfast, to be honest. For lunch I made a lentil dal and naan, and it was delicious. It was really good, but I originally planned on filming a bit of the process, but to be quite honest, there wasn't a lot of space in the kitchen left, and I kind of forgot about it. But yeah, you see the end results. And at dinner, I had a banana, to be honest. I wasn't hungry, but I was craving sweets yesterday like there's no tomorrow. Yesterday was a rest day, today I'm gonna do a workout. So I don't know why, but to be honest, the tray bake pancakes, it's the same recipe I made last week, but it's turned out quite spongy today. I don't know. So yeah, that's a bit annoying, but hopefully it still tastes pretty good.